Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written the programs to find sum of given two numbers, to find subtraction of given two numbers, to find product of given two numbers and division of given two numbers in Python programming language. Do subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video link with your friends and family members. Put the sharing of the video links in the social medias which you use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. First, I will open the Python interpreter. That is an IDLE Python, right? After opening, I will adjust the screen size according to my requirement. Okay, this is an interpreter which is an interactive mode. Then I will create a new file by clicking on file in the menu bar and then new file option. So I will adjust the screen size of this one, that is where I will write the program. So this is in the script mode. So here first I will write hash, that is and comment, to find sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers. Then I will write the program. So first I want to display a message to the user to enter two numbers, and I will store those in a variable. For that purpose I will write num1 space equal to space. Here I will write int, means whatever is read that will be converted into int, and here input is the function name input. Then after that open the bracket. So here within a single quotes write an prompting message, enter the value of num1, or we can write as number 1. Okay, then use one single space, single quotes close, bracket close. This is of input function, and again bracket close for converting whatever has been read, which will be in terms of a string that will be converted into integer. Then next, similarly I will write another one statement for reading the second number, num2 space equal to space int within a bracket input within a bracket. Instead of single quotes I am writing double quotes, that is valid. For more information you can watch my previous video with respect to input function. Enter the value of number 2, or we can write enter the first number, enter the second number, like that also. Then close the double brackets. Then after that press enter. Then after that we need to find the sum. For that purpose I will take a variable as add space equal to num1 space plus num2. So this will find a sum of two numbers, and that will be stored in a variable add. Then I will display that one, print, open the bracket within a double quotes, sum of double quotes close, comma num1, comma within a double quotes and double quotes close, comma num2, comma here I will write within a double quotes is double quotes close, comma, so that is stored in a variable add. Write the variable add, close the bracket. So this I have explained in my previous video of print function, right? So go through that one for more information. Then so this is just the completion of a program to find sum of two numbers in Python programming language. I will save this particular file, save. It will have the program name. I will write as addition. Okay, then click on save. The program has been saved. Now press F5 So it will ask. So here is an interactive mode where you need to enter the value. For example, first number I will give 10, enter. Second number I will give as 15. So now the sum should be what? 25. So it will display sum of 10 and 15 is 25. Like this you need to write and program to find sum of two numbers. Now I will save this one with by using the option save as. Here instead of addition I will take as subtraction, that is to find the subtraction of given two numbers. So here just I will do the modification to find subtraction of two numbers. So this will be the same, whereas here variable instead of add I will take sub, sub, num1 minus num2, print. So within a bracket here we can write subtraction of num1, right? So subtraction of, you can write as like this, subtraction of num2 comma within a double quotes from double quotes close comma num1 is, means if num2 is subtracted from num1, so what is that value? So that is stored in a variable called sub. Here write sub. So just have made a modification in the addition program itself. Okay, then I will save, then click on F5 or click on run option in the menu bar and then click on run module. So now it will ask enter the value of number 1. So I will give as 25, enter the value of number 2, I will give as 5. So what should be the output now? Subtraction of 5 from 25 is 20. So you can see subtraction of 5 from 25 is 20. Now instead of using the same thing, now I will make a new file by clicking on new and then click on new file. So I'll close the earlier one, okay, and I'll adjust the size of the script mode where I will be writing the program. So now here I will write multiplication program, that is to find the product of two numbers. Comment to find the product of given two numbers. To find product of given two numbers. So here instead of num1 and num2 I will take the variable as m and n. So I will write m is equal to, so instead of integer I will consider a float within a bracket, input function, open the bracket, within a double quotes, enter first number, double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close, enter. So m, another one is n variable, n is equal to float, open bracket, input, open bracket, you can use single quotes or you can use double quotes, enter second number, double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. So this is for the purpose of reading two values. Then after that finding the product, I will take the variable as prod space equal to m space into n, press enter, into symbol is asterisk. So now I have to display the output. For that purpose print function, print, open the bracket, within a double quotes, product of double quotes close comma variable m comma within a double quotes and close the double quotes comma n, m and n comma within a double quotes is double quotes close comma m and n is prod, close the bracket. Okay, so now I'll save this program, save with the program as multiply. Okay, click on save. Now I'll run this program by pressing F5. So here it will ask enter first number, I'll give 6, enter second number, I'll give as 3. So now what should be the output? Product of 6 and 3 is 18. So it is displaying product of 6 and 3 is 18. It is displaying as 6.0 and 3.0 is 18.0. Since what I have done, whatever the number has been entered, right, so which will be accepted by this input function. So this input function is typecasting that one, means converting and string value which is 6 to a float number. Okay, the next I will write a program to find division of given two numbers. File, click on new file. Okay, so adjust the size of this one, script mode. Okay, place it by the side of an interpreter mode. So now hash to find division, division, division of given two numbers. Okay, so here also I will take two float numbers. So previously I have taken m and n, before that I have taken num1 and num2. Now I will take pq. Okay, p space equal to space float, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a single quotes, enter first number, or you can write enter numerator. Okay, single quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. Previously I have used double quotes. You can use either the single quotes or you can use double quotes also, but not the mix of two. The next second one, q space equal to space float, open a bracket, input, open bracket. So here I will use double quotes, enter denominator, enter denominator, single space, double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close, then press enter. Now write the formula. So formula I will write as div is equal to, that means division equal to p divided by q, that is p slash q. Enter. Now output, print, open the bracket, within a double quotes, division of double quotes close, comma p, comma within a double quotes by double quotes close, comma p by q, comma within a double quotes is double quotes close, comma div, close the bracket. Then I will save this program. Save. So I'll write the program name as division. Press save. Then now run the program. So now it will ask enter numerator. So I will give the value as 5. Enter denominator. I will give the value as 2. Now the output will be division of 5 by 2 is 2.5. Like this we can write the program in the script mode, and those outputs are like this. I have written 4 programs in this particular video. First, to find sum of two numbers, then subtraction of two numbers, product of two numbers, and division of given two numbers. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. Put this video link status in the WhatsApp as well as any of the social medias whichever you are using. Please circulate among your friends and family members.